Hi, kids! Have you ever felt stuck, like no one is there to help you? Imagine waiting for 38 years, hoping for a miracle. Today, we're going to hear the amazing story of how Jesus changed one man's life forever at the Pool of Bethesda. Stay tuned to see how a moment with Jesus can bring hope, healing, and a fresh start. The story: Jesus heals the man at the pool. A long time ago, in the city of Jerusalem, there was a special pool called Bethesda. Many sick and disabled people gathered around it, hoping to be healed. They believed that an angel would stir the water, and the first person to step in would be made well. Among them was a man who had been unable to walk for 38 years. He sat near the pool, watching as others entered before him. He felt helpless and alone, for no one was there to help him into the water. One day, Jesus came to the pool and saw the man sitting there. Jesus knew he had been waiting for a long time. He knelt beside him and asked, "Do you want to be healed?" The man sighed sadly and replied, "Sir, I have no one to help me into the water. Every time I try, someone else goes in before me." Jesus looked at him with kindness and said, "Get up, pick up your mat and walk." At that moment, something amazing happened. The man's legs grew strong, and he felt power returning to his body. For the first time in 38 years, he stood up. His face lit up with joy, and he picked up his mat, walking through the streets, laughing and praising God. The people around him gasped in amazement. Some whispered, "Isn't that the man who couldn't walk?" Others shook their heads in disbelief. Later, the man went to the temple and saw Jesus again. Jesus smiled at him and said, "See, you are well now. Go and live a good life." The man's heart was full of gratitude as he ran to tell everyone about the miracle. What can we learn from this powerful story? Jesus sees us, even when we feel forgotten. Just like he noticed the man at the pool, Jesus knows our struggles and cares for us. We don't need a special place to be healed. We need Jesus. The man thought he needed the water, but all he needed was Jesus' words. Faith makes the impossible possible. The man obeyed Jesus, and his life changed instantly. When we trust in God, amazing things can happen. Wow, what an incredible story. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more amazing Bible stories. And remember, Jesus sees you, loves you, and has a plan for you. See you next time. God bless.